Sumagot restaurant. May I ask if you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I have a reservation in the name of Jacan Boulevard.
Okay, ma'am. We have prepared a nice table for you, ma'am. Please this way. Is this table alright to you, ma'am?
Yes.
Please have a seat, ma'am. A napkin for you.
Yes.
Excuse me. Take a glass of water.
Yes.
This is our menu for your selection. May I take your order now?
May I have onion rings for my appetizer, corn soup for my soup, and Caesar salad for my salad, and a ribeye steak for my main course, and a lava cake for my dessert.
Our ribeye steak usually cook within 20 minutes. Is that alright to you, ma'am?
Yes.
Anything else, ma'am, you want?
None.
Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your order? You have ordered the onion rings for your appetizer, a corn soup, and a Caesar salad. And your for main course, a ribeye steak. And for your dessert, you have ordered a chocolate lava cake. Is that details correct, ma'am?
Yes. That.
Would you like to have a glass of red wine, ma'am?
Yes. Sure.
Okay, ma'am. Would you like your bread to be served now?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'll be back to serve your bread.
Okay.
Here's your bread. Do you need anything else, ma'am?
None.
Okay, ma'am. I'll be back to get your order now.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your appetizer, a onion rings. Please enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your soiled dish?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your corn soup. Please enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your soiled dish?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your Caesar salad. Please enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your soiled dish?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your ribeye steak for your main course. Please enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your ribeye steak for your main course. Please enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your soiled dish?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your soiled dish?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your dessert, the chocolate lava cake. Please enjoy your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clean your soiled dish? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your red wine. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your bill. How would you like to pay your bill, ma'am? Cash or credit card?
Just a cash.
Okay, ma'am. I received 5,000. Here is your change. Thank you, ma'am, for coming in our restaurant. I hope you enjoy your meal. Have a good day.